Hi family, Norma here, your trusted real estate agent. This year we are investing in the spacious one-bed unit in Blue Lake Estate. It's not just a lifestyle estate, it's a rental demand knob driven by proximity to highways, business park and medical facilities. It's perfect for your investment portfolio. The unit is incredibly well done. The apartment offers beautiful amount of space. The large square meters are no competition. The modern finishings, low maintenance yet very sophisticated, secure, clean, manicured estate, lock up and go design, which is perfect for traveling. This unit is designed to be lived easily and rented quickly. Let's talk the most important part, which is numbers. From a starting price of 850,000 rand, which is $52,000 for our international investors, and then you have a rental amount that is coming in from 8,500 rand, which beats a lot of markets, especially in the Midrand area, which means we're hitting higher numbers on our end. A strong demand on the one-bed rentals because there's not a lot of people that are playing in that area. Faster vacancy recovery rate. Smaller units outperform because tenants can afford them repeatedly.